ask me if you love it. I just wanna show you how people love it.
Ito yung starting point ng ating Nangtong Chai Waterfall hike. Pupunta tayo ng Thai Motion, but since na pwede nating daanan ito, guys, yung direction kung paano tayo nakarating dito, I will just put it on the description box below. Just check it out. Yung Thai Motion, it is the highest peak in Hong Kong. And as we go along, makikita nyo naman na at first medyo maganda yung ating lakaran. Medyo simentado, but sa mga susunod, medyo masukal at saka mabato rin. As usual, sa pag-hike, kailangan maging ready tayo. You have to bring a lot of water, mga insect repellent, as well as sunblock. Pati na rin snacks, kasi hindi mo alam minsan pag maligaw ka or abutin ka ng hapon, meron kang dukutin sa bag mo. Actually guys, sa buong pag-hike ko dito sa Hong Kong, ito yung parang masukal siya. Medyo we are walking in the jungle. Sabi nga, sabay ganun. We're walking in the jungle kasi nga medyo masukal. Unlike sa mga previous natin na mga hikingan na medyo exposed. Ito maraming kakahuyan. Kaya hindi siya masyadong mainit. Pero it is very steep and mabato. Madulas din. Kaya extra ingat tayo. Hindi lang 3 waterfall yung mapupuntahan natin ngayon, ngunit 4 yata hanggang makarating tayo ng Thai Motion. So, be with us guys. Samahan nyo kami sa hiking na ito. Let's enjoy this day. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. This is Wanderlust. As usual, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan na patuloy na nanonood ng ating mga videos. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, kindly hit subscribe. Isama nyo na rin ang bell button para you are keep updated and notified. Ayun, sa next nating mga videos. Ito yung temple na madaanan natin before mag-start yung Nangtong Chai hike natin. So, nasa gitna ng bundok yan guys. Dito yung pinaka-last portion na medyo simentado yung daanan, and the rest is really rocky at maputik, madulas. Kasi nga medyo a night before, umulan. Kaya maputik. Tara!
I want to move my body to take me to the party and let me dance alone. I'm sure that let's all share. Let me take me to the party and let the music play. I'm sure that we can say, take me to the party and let me dance alone. I'm sure that let's all share. Let me take me to the party and let the music play until the break of day. DJ, just take me to the party and let me dance alone. Until the lights are all shine. Let me DJ, just take me to the party and let the music play until the break of day. thought said that you had enough, not been a fool. I know it's bad, this is how it's to go. Maybe the time will change my mind. Now looking back, I wish I could be wide. I can't sleep until you're next to me, so I can't live without you more. Oh, I'll stay up until you're next to me, till this house feels like it did before. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Feels like insomnia. Remember the good times together. Stay with me tonight, night, 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 night. Never say goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Close your eyes tonight, my, 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 my. Remember the good times together. Stay with me tonight, night, 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 night. Never say goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Close your eyes tonight, my, 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 my. Remember the good times together. Stay with me tonight, night, 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 night. Never say goodbye, bye, 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 bye. Close your eyes tonight, my, 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 my. Remember the good times together. You give me so much with your smile. I'll never be alone, be alone, be alone. 'Cause you are in my soul, in my soul, in my soul. I'll never make it right, make it right, make it right. You give me so much with your smile. I'll never be alone, be alone, be alone. 'Cause you are in my soul, in my soul, in my soul. I'll never make it right, make it right, make it right. You give me so much sweet just smile. I'll never be alone, be alone.
Bababa tayo ng bottom falls.
My soul,
Bottom fall. Ito yung sa pinakababa niya kasi sabi ko nga parang tatlong falls ito bago tayo makarating sa ating pinaka target for today. Pero kasi nga madaanan natin ito, so parang daanan din natin. Tingnan natin. Ayan guys, grabe yung dulas, kaya ingat-ingat din kami. Madulas, mabato pa, matarik.
Don't wanna leave you anymore. I know I get it, you can be honest and leave. Unless you put your past, your probably. I'm starting loving from on. Never be it when you're alive. Close the windows of the doors. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Don't wanna leave you anymore.
Ito yung bottom falls, maganda din siya, magandang maglublob, magandang maligo, at walang tao. Nung time na yan, talagang kami lang dalawa ng aking kasama. Kumain kami dyan konti. Nag-recess. naman yung middle fall. Kasi nga guys, tandaan nyo, paakyat tayo ng bundok. So, kanina bottom, middle, hanggang sa pinaka main fall kasi habang naglalakad tayo, paakyat ng bundok. Tandaan nyo, yung pinaka highest peak dito sa Hong Kong ang ating aakyatin, yung Thai Mushan. Ito yung middle fall. Mas maganda ito kumpara doon kanina sa bottom. Yung kanina sa bottom siya, maganda lang doon. Magbabad kasi parang may mini pool sa baba.
没有一天可以放个假。带上秋天而去，今夜的 party 喝最大。我是午夜 DJ， 来说我的 music， 快乐时光不能浪费。如果我是 DJ， 你会爱我吗？
Paakyat tayo, so ang pinakalas natin ay yung
如果
main falls.
DJ，
Yun ang pinakamaganda sa lahat, as if na parang
我是 DJ，
fall sa Hawaii.
DJ。
I'll give you love, give my love every day. My name is Joe.
Ito guys, napakaganda talaga. Dito natin puputulin ang ating video na to. Kasi yung mga next nating mga video ay papunta na tayo ng Thai Mushan. Continue yung ating paglalakad. Continue yung ating pag-hike. Paakyat tayo ng paakyat. So this is the last. Sa medyo tuktok na ito banda. Actually meron pang isang dadaanan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.